All right, so let's see. Okay. Something very peculiar about this energy here when it comes to Zedekiah. I'm thinking, who could Zedekiah be today? And Matanya was the 20th and last of Judah, became the destruction of the kingdom by King Nebuchadnezzar. 618 or 1618. Right before 1619, huh? They say before Christ, I say before colonization. I don't know why I'm thinking, yeah. Yeah, his reign was 597 to 586 BC. Now that can be before Christ, okay? Because I'm thinking 1886 for some reason. Okay, see, I don't want to go back to the old days. Maybe this is what somebody was telling me. I'm just getting a pain in my chest. It's like I done came all the way this far. I feel like I'm just like, I'm in the full energy, like leaping off into something else, actually active. And it's just like somebody saying I'm going back to the days in the basement. It's funny how they keep saying Biden was in the basement. Okay. Something about this whole Obama trip to the White House is like really gnawing at me. Okay. So I don't know. I guess we're going to see what we can pull. There's that name again. Okay. I guess this is something. I feel like what I'm getting from this and what I'm getting from just the appearance of Obama again is that this energy is his energy. Okay. This could also be Bush or Obama. Okay. This is either Bush or Obama energy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Before the destruction. Yeah. Okay. So that 9/11 energy. Who was the president? Bush. It's Bush. Because I went back to something with one of the older presidents. I think this is Bush. Afghanistan was low-key the destruction of the kingdom. Get what I'm saying? Chirac. Who's from Chicago? Yeah. Was the 20th and the last king of Judah before the destruction of the kingdom by King Nebuchadnezzar. No. 42. 42. Clinton. Is Clinton 42? But there's something about 44, though. I wonder if 44 is connected some other kind of way. To my energy field. Ships. So these are the ships, okay, that's going to lead somebody back into slavery. Your soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Transportation in reverse. Leaving and travel in reverse. Oh, hell no. Returning to a high priestess or becoming a high priest. No. Something about a spouse. Okay. It's safe to love. Okay, so again, they were telling them to go ahead and get wives and stuff like that. I don't get this part. I'm choosing. I'm not going in any like look. And even if there's any kind of funds coming to me, I don't even want it connected to anything to do with no marriage or nothing. That shit is gonna sit to the side until I figure. Matter of fact, that's what the fuck I need so I can get to the motherfucking side. No, I ain't sharing that shit with nobody except for the people, myself, and whatever I want to do with it. All right? Nah. No spouse that have been having no ill will or sneaking behind my back or anything. Open your heart and give and receive the highest energy. But now this is weird. Okay? This is weird. Give your relationship a chance is in reverse. Work on your partnership. So I guess that means not to. Okay? That something else new may be coming for somebody. Okay? True love, which is a romance of a lifetime here. We got the Greco-Roman energy here. These is all from earlier. But this is going to put somebody's finances in reverse. And that's what I'm saying. No, thank you. I don't want no man connected to my money. No female connected to my money. No trans, nobody. I don't want nobody connected to my shit. Okay? It says you deserve love. You are lovable. Okay? And then we got wisdom here. Okay? Worth waiting for is in reverse. Divine timing is at work in your life. Okay? Playfulness. Okay? Recapture romance. Allow your inner youthful spirit to shine. Collaborative dreaming. This is making me think about something here. Okay. So again, it says Zedekiah was 21 years old when he ascended the shaky throne of Judah. In the year 3,327. That could be 2027. 1927 or 1827. He was put on the throne by grace of Nebuchadnezzar. You know, you know what? Just that joke that he even told. Saying that somebody was the vice president. See, this is the kind of shit they own. And see, I would feel like as a fathering energy or a lord, this lord would not want me to be involved with this Scorpio. It's like, what does this person have against this Scorpio? This person would want me to be with I think it's the Aries, okay? And I'm not going. Hold on, let me see who this is. Hold on. Let's get a nickname. I know who it is. Okay, but we're gonna use signs here. Okay. There we go. All right. So we got the Gemini that I preferred, and we got the Gemini that possibly a father figure would prefer. Then we have the Scorpio that I would prefer, and then the Scorpio that somebody else would prefer. Okay. Why is somebody cock blocking? Hold on, let's see. Why? Oh my goodness. Oh. And that's what I'm saying about these mothering energies. They just get to me. They can't fucking stand me. Page of Swords, the one with the black, but that's what I'm saying. That's what they want. But the ancestors, I don't know. This is saying, but I don't know. It's like this Black Hawk energy. This Page of Swords. Okay, this Page of Swords came in reverse when I dropped it, but we're gonna put it upright. I feel like this could be either two things. The Native American part don't want to back Okay, yeah. So the Native American energy, why that popped out twice, maybe even 3 times yesterday, they're not going to protect these unions of these second Gemini and Scorpio. Or is it the first? They're either saying that they're not going to protect. Okay, they were protecting. Okay, no, because this can't make sense then. They were protecting when I was using my heart and I was caring about the connection or the companionship between this Gemini and the Scorpio that I prefer. The ones I feel I have been in the womb with. Okay. The Indian or American ancestors supported that. When people came in to try to harm, I don't want to imply what I'm really just want. So I'm trying to be fair here. But again, this card barely, it comes out all the time. Okay. But it barely comes out in reverse. So it's coming out in reverse here. So I think they are upset about whatever these people in politics are trying to do. The principalities and rulers, okay, in high places. They don't want these unions that these people are trying to place. They were happy, joyful, coming to visit me every day, all around me when I was using my heart, listening to my heart and connecting with this Gemini and this Scorpio. You get what I'm saying? So these Black Hawks that's attacking this dude that's trying to use his sword over here to harm somebody, they were attacking this man or these people that were coming in trying to harm me. But for some reason today it's coming in reverse, okay? So that could either mean they're upset about this, something is not right then. I don't know. Let's see. This also may be somebody trying to force no protection. I feel like this is allowing some of these people, these rebellious people of Israel that maybe I'm hearing pay me back like you owe me, okay? So these people that have been around already, it's almost like letting them come and finish you off. And since this has to do with large lumps of money or lies or betrayal, they are going to probably try to get the job done. You see what I'm saying? So this is the first group of entities or energies that they set in here that might have benefited off of me being neglected, ignorant of certain things. They have benefited off of this. So these are the people that they want to send in around me. But this really is, there's not going to be any protection from these people here. Okay. And I don't know if it's because of these other unions or what, or if it's just somebody, they're afraid of what the fuck I'm saying. Okay. And so again, they want to send somebody in to cause some type of harm here. Okay. Yeah. Because these are people that actually probably feel as if I didn't appreciate or I went against them, but it's just, they don't like the fact of they don't like the fact of where I've placed this Gemini and this Scorpio on this short leash. Okay. And I don't call it a short leash. I'm just saying close. Okay. We have an Emperor in reverse. So this might represent this person's energy showing up today in the political arena. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's this person's idea to go ahead and put the Holy One back into a reverse. Yeah. Because we have the Emperor and the Empress in reverse. So this is somebody. Okay. Yeah. So this is telling me that this father figure is saying, or ex-companion is saying, if you go with that person, I'm going to revert. So this is kind of like an arranged marriage, which I'm not going. All right. So I'm hearing somebody saying, don't give it all up for me. All right. And I'm not, I'm doing this for me. All right. But I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just thinking. Okay. So we have a high priestess stepping out into the scene here, going off into somewhere beautiful. Seems like she's going off into the sunset or to an ocean place or something here. Okay. All right. So somebody's putting this Emperor and Empress in reverse here, probably because of true love. And then they sent this high priestess out into the lands somewhere. Okay. All right. And they're going to create a tower moment. Okay. Now, this emperor might not be as fierce as me as a lioness and may have escaped the scene. Okay. This may be somebody that's at a distance now because of these circumstances here. And then this King of Wands, okay, which I feel sometimes represents that leopard that's sitting next to the Empress, is being put in place. There's a tower moment, and now this emperor. So this is this Gemini here, okay? This King of Wands that's being set up possibly on this throne right now, okay? But again, this King of Wands, I don't know why they're choosing to do it this way. This King of Wands could represent either one of these Geminis, okay? For some reason, this father figure male, a lord, okay, or a previous lord, okay, wants that. I don't know, they don't want the scorpionic energy because the scorpionic energy is actually passionate. The Geminis are both, I'm saying if I was leaving a situation, the Geminis are both that kind where they don't express. I don't want to, I refuse to be in any type of friendship, relationship, or anything that is where I have to act seeming though I have to wait or beg or pull out, affection, attention, compliments, because a motherfucker can love you to death. You understand me? Do anything you want them to do. Go here, go there, do that, do this. I had it. Long time. Okay? I'm saying if that's what I was looking for, I would not have a problem where I'm at. Okay? This is why a lot of feminines, I feel, gravitate towards this masculine here. But this part of my life, I feel like I've been neglected in certain areas, and that's when it comes to passion. Okay? And so this next, it's going to be something that's got some kind of spark to it. So I feel like that's what this is. Okay, so we got the star card here. All right, so yeah, this is somebody saying this tower moment, but we can still make you a star, but you're gonna have to go with one of these Geminis. I'm not going. And somebody saying you better with this other Page of Swords energy. Okay. All right, so we have come to life here in our Sacred Rebels deck, okay? Come to life. She's on a black and white checkerboard floor, Freemason energy here, okay? So yeah, so this is somebody that was the last person before the destruction, but this entity that's coming in the scene today is a part of why the destruction of the Holy One or the Empress had occurred. I feel this one was coming up to the throne, witnessing something that possibly happened with 42, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, something behind the scenes. Okay. This person was holding animosity or a grudge about that when they came in. Okay, because I'm telling you, this is some sacred